my opinion, Cesaro is a future world champion. Cesaro, a true talks about how privileged and
اعقب ولا اسمع نفس اعقب ولا اسمع نفس اعقب ولا اسمع نفس 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 اعقب ولا اسمع نفس قدامك السيادة وينك على كلمة ما انت بتحاميها اعقد ما دام الكلام بسيرتك عادة عادتنا بالفعول الله مضريها ربعي عمل عايل اللي ساقه عناده وغبن على الساطي ثارت عزاويها وغبن على الساطي ثارت عزاويها ظل على شارة ابن سعود وزناده على الولا والعهد تحيا مبادئها دون الملك والوذي والشعب وبلاده حنا جيوش الوطن يخشى معاديها.
The 16-time world champion. He still got it. Put a fist on it out in public. Hey there. I have to be out here for this one. This whole situation has been embarrassing and disgraceful. I would love. Shinsuke Nakamura! Drew McIntyre! Rise of nothing but difference makers. The Intercontinental Champions from Kansas City, weighing in at 285 pounds. He won the King of the Ring tournament, did Baron Corbin to become King Corbin. Basically anointed as the future of WWE. I mean, think about Corey, Byron, the Flair-Hogan rivalry. Get yourself over there, Byron. Imagine what to deal with the biggest battle of his career. I knew your life experiences. You guys are talking about Drew McIntyre. Shorty! Byron, here's a young man who's just weighing in 182 pounds. WWE. Even Nature Boy Ric Flair went so he has dealt with setbacks and continues fighting.
تعيش يا راس الجسم خلى الهزيلة للعزل يضوي يزعل بزعل ما نحترم منه اعتبار يحيه من نادي حضر وعروقه ساك الجبر الله من كثر السطر طاغي وفي راسه شراب.
Team Hogan and Team Flair face to face.
حضر